charger. A phone case. And headphone. What did you guess? I got something for you right now. A phone? That's a fake.
It's a phone case.
Ooh, nice. Alyssa? Okay. Oh, one more. A phone! A real phone! Oh my gosh!
It doesn't call though.
Oh.
Wow, it does call. I'm calling you. You just hung up on me.